Hello, my name is Angela Graham, and I am a fifth grade teacher at Windsor STEM Academy in Linden, Ohio. Here is another one of these instructional videos on how to use some technology on your online classroom. And here is a short video about how to add your new website link to the student's Clever account. Now, of course, first you must log into your Clever account, which you can see on the screen here. I'm logged into mine. You'll see all the curriculum department, elementary applications, everything that you have typically there. And this you can hide, so you might not always see it. And if you've never done it before, it'll be blank, but there's something called resources added by you. And of course, a favorite position, but we're looking at this one. When you're trying to add a link, because you want the students to be able to click on an icon and go straight to your new website that you have either already created using our other videos or you're about to create, you need to go first to the icon where it says pages, and you'll see that has your name, normally your first initial and then your last names, and it says page. And then if you haven't changed the picture, because there is a way to change it, it should show a picture of an owl wearing glasses. You're going to click that for me, and once that pops up, the screen will look like this. You'll have a button in the bottom right. It says add with a plus sign next to it. Now, ignore the two images here. Those wouldn't have been there yet if I was adding for the first time, but we're going to look here. So you're going to go to add, and it gives you four options. You can add a category, a PDF, a link, or an app. For this, we are just going to be adding a link, and this will pop up here. It's going to ask you to paste a link here. Now, this is when you need to pop over to one of your websites you have up already. So I'm just going, someone's working on that one. Let's say I'm just doing a random one. So sites in Google. I'm going to type the link here. You can just paste it right in because you have to make sure it is put in perfectly the same or it will not work. And then I'm going to write down, I'm going to put this called example for now. And that's going to be the link name. As you can tell in the ones we did make, we named it the name of our website, which is Ms. Armanga's Authors or Ms. Graham's Garden. This one I'm going to delete afterwards, so I'm just going to call it example. You can add categories, but since I don't expect us to be adding a lot of links, I'm just going to leave that as newly added. And you can actually go and pick one of their icons, or you can even upload one here. If you click it, you should have an option pop up where it shows all these pictures available. I find it useful to use some of the Bitmojis because you can find one that says like see you in class, which just seems to make sense if a student's trying to get to your virtual classroom and website to click an icon that says I'll see you in class. That's just a fun little tidbit. You don't have to use a Bitmoji, but I would recommend it. Or else for now, you can just, I'm going to click one of these random icons. I'm going to click add link. And then you'll see here, example. So if I click it, this will open a new tab and it goes to the exact same website I was just at where I got the URL from. Now I'm going to X out of this and I'm going to get rid of this. So let's say you had a accident, you made a mistake. You want it gone, you need it gone. If you go click edit and then the screen will pop up again and it says the details you just did. Instead of save link, we're going to go to delete link. You're going to delete it and boom, it says successfully deleted your link and you are back to where you were at. This will show up on other students' accounts as well, so you don't have to fret too much about that, and it's always on your account. So if I go back to the main Clever portal, give it a second to load, you will see here that everything's still back to normal, and the students are just able to more easily get to your website. If you have any other questions, please don't feel free to get in contact with me, send me an email, or leave a comment on the YouTube channel. Have a wonderful day and look forward for my next technology instructional videos.